Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not installed on the application of UNO. We will go to settings. Here in this first page of settings we click. In this window we will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page of apps you will search about the application of UNO and you will go here. As you see in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.